and right here. After getting the dimensions, you have to check whether the design is safe or unsafe. If the design will be safe, then after that we will go for the BHN value. Okay. So to check here in numerical itself, now normally whether the design is safe or not, this you have to check by Buckingham's equation, but it is not mentioned in numerical itself. Okay, it is mentioned that in numerical that the velocity factor is to be used to account for dynamic load. Okay, so this statement is there, velocity factor you have to consider for dynamic load. So here velocity factor is nothing but CV. Okay, so CV that you have to consider for dynamic load, it means that your P effective will be CA CM PT divided by CV. Okay, so by using this formula only you have to calculate P effective. But if suppose the Buckingham's equation will be given, so in that case P effective is CA CM PT plus PD. In this way, in this case you have to find PD and then you have to find P effective. But right now it is not mentioned that you don't you have to use Buckingham's equation. It is mentioned that you have to go for velocity factor accounts. Okay, so by considering the velocity factor accounts, we have already designed the gear pair. Okay, so this gear pair we have designed by considering the velocity factor accounts only, because here P effective we have calculated by this formula only, CACMPT by CV. Okay, so your design will be definitely safe here in this case based on velocity factor. Okay, but Buckingham's it may be failed by considering Buckingham's equation, but in numerical it is not mentioned, so you don't need to calculate this PD. Only now velocity factor accounts you have to consider. And right now our design is definitely safe. Still, if suppose you want to check whether the design is safe or not, or if suppose you want to calculate factor of safety, okay, for this current design, because your module was 4.2, module we have calculated was 4.1198 means 4.2, and we have modified the module, means again your dimension of the gear is modified to the next values, so your design will be safer side. So now after this what you need to do is you have to check whether design is safe or not. If you want, you can check it, otherwise there is no need. Okay, so still I am showing you how to check it. Actually by velocity factor definitely it will be safe. Okay, but it is if suppose you want, you can check it. Okay, so by velocity factor accounts you need to calculate P effective. Yeah, so P effective we are having in terms of module. Yeah, so here it is 3684.05 3 plus 1.3572 module divided by module. Okay, so here if suppose you put the value of module, you will get P effective. Okay, so after calculation, after putting here the value of module, you are getting here 7210.42 Newton. Then we are having SB in terms of module. Okay, so SB we are having in terms of module here 649 module square. So we'll put here 649 module square. So if you put here the value of module, so you will get here 649 into 5 square. So you will get 16225 Newton. Then factor of safety you have to calculate. So factor of safety will be strength by effective load, like SB is equal to factor of safety into P effective. From that you will get factor of safety. So strength is divided by 7210.42. so you will get factor of safety as 2.25. okay, so now 2.25 is okay. So 2.25 is okay. It is more than 1.5 means your design is safe. Okay, design is safe. Then after this we need to calculate BHN, means the next step will be surface hardness. that is nothing but BHN. So BHN we need to calculate. So to calculate BHN, what you need is SW. Okay, so we need to calculate SW. SW is equal to dP B Q K. Now dP is we have calculated B, we have dP, we have B, we have Q, we need to calculate. So Q is equal to 2Zg divided by Zg plus Zp, okay, for external gear pair. Now if you substitute the values of Zg and Zp here, Zg is 72, Zp is 18. So if you put here the values, you will get Q as 1.6. Okay, then K for steel gear and steel pinion, it is 0.16 BHN by 100 square. Now here BHN we don't have, so we cannot calculate K. So we'll substitute the value of K as it is in formula of SW. Okay, so we'll get SW in terms of BHN. Okay. So you are having SW is equal to, now DP is 90, now B is 50, DP Q is 1.6, and here again it is 0.16 BHN by 100 square. Okay. Now if you calculate it, so you will get 1152 BHN by 100 square. Okay. Then after this you have to equate this SW with factor of safety into P effective. Okay. Equate SW with factor of safety into P effective. Now here factor of safety we have, P effective we have, SW we have in terms of BHN. So we will get BHN here. Okay. So 1152 BHN by 100 square is equal to, factor of safety is 1.5 into P effective. Now P effective just we have calculated here, 7210.42. 7210.42. Now if we solve it, you will get BHN. So BHN is equal to 306.9 306.39. So you can go for BHN as 310. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this example. Thank you.